Ref coming upstairs. Don't shoot. Ref coming up. Ref coming in. Oh, there we go. Hi. Oh, shit. Nice throw. Ah! Oh, you good? Ref walk in, ref. I got you, homie.
Hey, Danny, grab mine.
I'm coming. Okay. Don't shoot me, please, for the love of fuck. Yeah, I got red on this side, red on this side. Oh, God. Good hit. Ref. Copy. Oh. No more action. Oh boy. Ref coming through, ref. Ref walking. Good hits. No kill, no kill. Ref. Oh! You good, Kai? You're good, buddy.
Friendly. Ow.
Friendly.
Friendly. Do I call that? Do I call that?
You didn't hit. You got hit, right?
Yeah, by him.
So if you want to take his hit, you can, or he can take that hit because the friendly fire counts.
You want me to go or do you want to go?
So you can die or he can die. Okay. You're good, buddy. Nice.
Can you stand over there?
Yeah, sure, maybe. Depends.
I just wanted the angle.
Well, that's what they're fogging over, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Your mom. Is that your teammate?
No.
Oh.
I don't think. I didn't see. You got all these people that have their colors all reversed.
9 minutes! Hey Ben, I think the kid in the blue hoodie in the White House, the left side, I think his band is off. Right arm, right arm. Ref walking, ref walking. Ref. Ref. Ref, 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 ref. Ah, look at that guy go fucking people. I can't go downstairs. I forget about that. Directly into my fucking eyeball. Hey, heads up. There's a guy on blue. He's running a laser. I don't know if he's done it to anybody else, but he just did it to me. He shined it directly into my eye. And all I see is a fucking dot.
Watch your back, blue!
I mean, technically I'm red, but I still got all blue on my side as well.
Pretty hypocritical, but
They're all good, man. When there's a lot of friendly fire going on. That's blue over at White House, by the way. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. friendly fire going on, just start like being like, yo, watch for a color and then shoot. The fuck is that, bud? Oh yeah, it's that round that I gave you. I'm gonna go after him. No, you're good, bud. I'm just gonna grab this guy's grenade so he doesn't lose it. Dead men don't talk. Just trying to get this thing off this grenade. Kaboom! Sometimes I pick up the shells and I throw them.
The others do like play as how do and they'll just throw grenades, like live grenades into the middle of us.
Yep. We have a guy that comes here that when he gets in, he buys an entire box of VG67s and he just runs around with at least 20 on him at a time. And then he'll dump them. One guy was like, they're just throwing grenades. I was like, oh, that's one guy. You looking for a grenade? Yeah, take it. True that. Ooh, shit. Okay, if you are alive, stay up here. If you are dead, tell me you are dead. Okay, but blue team wins, I guess. I guess blue team wins. Yeah, the blue team was all over that fucking side. There you go. Who threw a... I have a grenade. I'll figure it out.
I think it's the dude with the blue.
Probably. Oh, I got it. I'll figure it out. I have CO2 grenade. Huh? Well, there's a fuck ton on the other side, so blue already won it. I have CO2 grenade.
There's also a string one upstairs, too.
Oh yeah, I didn't grab that one. I thought he got that. But whoever CO2 it was, I have theirs. Watch him just be over there still looking for it, and I have it. Because I'm a good rep and I grab people's dropped items. Hey! Whoever threw a CO2 grenade at the hallway of 2-story, I have it. Nobody claims that I'm keeping it. And I'm going to put it in my neighbor's car.